For most people looking to try white rice for the first time, they seem to wonder if it's all that natural and safe to eat. And if this is you, it is entirely okay to be conscious about what constitutes your diet. So without any further delays, let's answer the question: is white rice bleached? And shed light on the benefits of some of the best ways to enjoy it. Let's dive in. Is white rice bleached? First of all, you should know that there are different types of rice available. But the common ones include the brown, basmati, and white variety. But you will find more than 10,000 other brands in the market. The only difference between the white rice and the brown variety is that the bran and husk have been milled off by a mechanical process with the former. This is as opposed to the common belief that the procedure involves the use of polish or bleach on brown rice. So when it comes to the question of if white rice is safe for consumption, it is absolutely safe to eat. The activated level of processing would affect the texture and flavor compared with the brown rice, but this helps preserve it. By helping to prevent storage, the white variety has a higher shelf life compared to the others. However, one thing that worries dietitians with the white rice is the loss of nutrients and biological germ that gets lost in the refining process. These could help increase the dietary fibers and vitamins that could be of use to the body. When it comes to which has the most nutritional benefit, you can guess which would top the chart. But there are ways to get the best out of white rice. Can you eat white rice? If you aim to restrict your daily consumption of fiber, then you will find it to be a good fit in your diet. Rich in added folate, pregnant women could find it a better alternative to help with fetal development. But if you consume it regularly, there is nothing to worry about. This is as long as you balance it with other nutrients. What are the risks? You should be aware that rice has a high level of arsenic contamination. And this is due to the poor soil conditions in any part of the world. A high intake of the compound can increase cancer risks, diabetes, and heart disease. It has also been linked to a reduction in brain function. But you should know that the brown variety has more levels of arsenic compared to the white. This is because a high level of arsenic is concentrated in the husk and bran, which is shelled away in the processing. Still, there is a little left when it does reach the market. For the best options with the lowest levels of arsenic, you want to go for basmati, jasmine, and other varieties are grown in the Himalayas. Another issue to worry about is the fact that it could increase your risks of metabolic syndrome. The high glycemic index is one trigger for type 2 diabetes, which makes it not a good fit for people with the condition. How to stay safe with white rice? You want to consume less of it. The high arsenic level is one thing to be careful with. Large portions frequently would not have the same effect as daily consumption. So keeping your intake to the barest is what you want to work on. When you enjoy a plate of rice, you want to top it with fruit and veggies to balance the fiber and vitamin loss. This would help the body in getting rid of toxins left behind from our diet. Also, you want to wash down your meal with water and not just juice. And as a matter of importance, keep up with your required daily water consumption. The last time I checked, that was about 3 liters for men and 2 for women. So if you are not meeting this mark, you want to keep up. Final note. When it comes to which rice is the best option, in my opinion, they all check out fine. But one thing you should know is white rice is not bleached. The difference in color is a milling process that removes the husks and bran and not a chemical process involving dye. The long shelf life is one reason why it sells in high volumes in the rice market. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.